Okay, yesterday in reading, I had explained to you the different stations that we were gonna do today, and the one worksheet was kind of difficult to finish on our own, so I had you put that in a folder. It's gonna stay there for now, but I'm just gonna go over quickly. Remember the sentences, the strips that you'll have that have sentences on them? What are they missing though? Do you remember what we worked on yesterday on the board together? What are these sentences missing? Amy?
The missing,
Do you remember what that was called? Commas, yes, they're missing commas. So you are not rewriting each sentence, remember? You are choosing 5 to rewrite here. So if I choose the sentence that has the letter N on it, I would put an N for the letter, card letter, and then rewrite the sentence correctly right beside it. So you're choosing how many of these?
5.
5 of them.
If you have extra time, you can put them on the
Yes, if there's still time, you could practice more on the back. Okay, the second thing that I had shared with you that you would be doing is the vocabulary words and the meanings, matching those up. After you have the vocabulary word and its meaning matched together, then you'll put your letter that goes with the correct definition over here and draw your 2 things. Just doesn't matter which 2 words you choose. Remember talking about this yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. So then, the third thing, this is the one that I changed up on us. Do you like riddles?
Yeah.
Okay, there are 12, no, I changed it. I think I only did 9, so there weren't so many. There are 9 riddles. Each riddle has a card number on it. Do you see the number there? So if I am looking at riddle 5, because that's the one on the top, it says, I have 4 legs. I get chased by dogs. I am fluffy. My fur is useful. What is being talked about in this riddle? You're going to write your answer down on line what? 5, because that's what this card number is. Okay, so you're going to read through those 9 riddles. There's 12 spaces, but you won't do the bottom 3. I took 3 of them away. Okay?
Can we cross those out or just like on the number?
Yeah, you can cross them out when you get to it. So you do not do riddles 10, 11, and 12 because they're not there. Okay? All right. Questions about the 3 stations that you'll be working through? Yes.
Are we doing it with a partner?
By yourself?
Oh yeah, and we'll just have more people doing it.
Yes.
Same.
Yes.
What do we do when we're all done with the station?
Great question. When you are finished with a station, why don't you start reading the harvest birds at your seat? Okay? And then when it's time to switch, if you're not quite finished reading the harvest birds, you'll go to that station. If you finish it up before time is up, then you'll go back and finish reading the harvest birds. Okay? Any other questions? No other questions? Yes?
How much time will we have?
I'll put it on the board for you so you can keep track of how much time you'll have for each one. Okay? The way it's looking, 10 minutes for each thing that you'll be working on, which should be plenty of time.
Yeah.
Did you have a question?
I was going to ask you what if you don't finish it in time.
You you should. It shouldn't take you that long. If you are using your time wisely and productively, you should have plenty of time to get them finished up. There it is. Any other questions?
This is reading, right?
Yes. Okay. So here's what we'll do. Noah and Connor, after you work on those 3 things at home, then why don't you reread the Harvest Birds? And then you'll be finished with reading for the day.